Ready to finally cut ties with your Microsoft account? Let's do it. First, head over to account.microsoft.com in your web browser. Click on the Sign In button, usually located at the top right of the page. Enter the email address or phone number associated with the Microsoft account you want to delete, and then enter your password. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your Microsoft account dashboard. Look for your info at the top of the page. Click on your info, then scroll down until you see How to Close Your Account. Click on How to Close Your Account. Microsoft will show you a page detailing what closing your account entails, specifically about data loss. Read this carefully and make sure you are fine with these terms. Then you must check all checkboxes to agree with all the terms to close the account. After that, click the Next button. Finally, choose a reason for closing your account, and click Mark Account for Closure. Your account will then be scheduled for permanent deletion after 60 days.